Welcome to the Regeneration Nation. Thank you so much for joining us. We are working with C++ now because I find it interesting. I'm learning more and more every day with it. I am, there we go. You can probably hear me a lot better now. I am a full-time programming student on a entrepreneurial co-op to be a tutor. So, hello, as luck would have it. If you are looking for C++ object-oriented learning, then this is exactly the channel for you. As well as I do gaming at night, so definitely subscribe and follow for that. We're moving over to, so we basically completed a random entry selector object. Sorry, a random entry selector app. And we're going to continue to use it to test the output, because basically that's going to be what we're leading over to, is creating an actual output object. So you can see here I created GUI CPP. I'm wondering if I should, no, because it's a static object. I think I just want to, it's not a static object, it's static. It's just basically going to be full of static functions. So I just wanted to output the data, I pass it. And the IO stream is going to be included in there, the string stream. Why is IO stream included twice? I must have accidentally did that before I closed out. But anyways, we got IO stream, we got string, we got main. Main includes GUI and the PoolBoy. PoolBoy. Oh wait, hold on. Let me actually get to the right screen here. See, you know, I'm a more effective tutor when you guys see what I'm looking at. It's is that not a soundboard option? Oh, my soundboard crashed. Sorry guys. I can't even do my wah. Oh, I feel so naked. Okay, let's get my screen even on freaking display. Let's do that. Is this, no, that's the wrong one. Sorry, listen. I got like 100 things happening at once. All right, here we go. Regeneration nation begins now. We had, I moved my output over here so I could pull it over and show you guys the memory leaks. There are none. But we're gonna go memory leak detection. Into the main. The main simply says, open up this file. All right, and we can like further enhance this program, so you just include it in the command prompt, command line. But I'm not gonna bother doing it. Everything's been encapsulated so far, where any change can be done within the object that it pertains to, and that's the whole idea of C++, object-oriented programming. That's the whole idea of object-oriented programming. You create these objects. So like we have the random number generator that we coded ourselves. It's a singleton design, so we have to call upon its static function of getInstance, which will return a new instance if there is not a current instance instantiated. If there's not a current random number generator in memory, it will create a new one. And when this object leaves scope, it drops the pointer that points back to the one that's existing in memory. Because that object just holds onto a pointer. I'll be right back, folks. I'm sorry about this. I'm dealing with two hilarious. I'm dealing with two pseudo catastrophes here. One, my allergy medication still hasn't kicked in. Two, I'm out of coffee. So this is gonna be rough, folks. PoolBoy, or Pool Manager is going to be created using a contest list and a random number generator. So the contest list is just a text file of the contestants that I put in there. It's just sample data right now. I'm going to change the text file with contest to contest list. Whoops. Actually correct data just to show that this is working. There is no such thing as a TT file that I am aware of, at least within the directory it's searching. File did not open, program is exiting. So it's done. That error testing is working. TXT to fix that up, and we will create a random number generator and put a breakpoint there, so we can watch it happen. So where is it? RandGen is didn't know. Bam. RandGen still doesn't know shit. It's fine because it's a reference of itself. That's all. PoolBoy, Pool Manager. Contest. What contest? We have no contest. We have no name. Unable to read anything on contest because PoolBoy hasn't been created yet. We're gonna step into that function. Oh, you're gonna take me through the CPP. Yeah, makes sense. Why would it take me through the header? The header has no. Yeah. Anyways. So right away we assign it the random number generator with the rangen that we created in the main. The reason why I want to do that is so it seeds. It maintains its seed. The way it's written, it shouldn't really matter if it maintains its seed or not, but I did find when it was reseeding based on the algorithm over and over and over again, the numbers were similar. Were too similar, so we just created it in the main. We kept the same seed all the way through. So we're going to continue on with that. The random number generator from the main gets passed to the random number generator reference in the, let's follow along with PoolBoy right over here. The random number generator right here, rangen, gets assigned rangen. Number of contests is 0. I just did this as a reference. Okay, I'll be honest. That's like that. That's just object encapsulation, I think, at its like most elementary. And then the contest info, it's basically just blankets, which is basically just a container string. Then I create a new D-link list entry. This is actually a structure that we ended up coding on stream, and that we're going to be improving at the end if we get our output object. So we just have to understand how these all of these things work before we get to that point. And mainly, we're just going to go ahead and say that this D-link entry right here, through this algorithm, it gets sorted by the seed, and the seed that the random generator provides is a random number between 0 and 1. And then when each contestant, each entry is organized, it's organized by the seed, thus randomizing the entries. And then we take a random integer between 0 and the amount of entries there are in there, iterate through until we find the correct entry, until we find the entry specified, and then that's the winner. Winner. Simple enough, and I believe with basically the root of this app revolves around the random number generator. The instance, so basically we'll only create this. This is a private function, so it will never be accessible by anything other than the public get instance. And this is completely based on seconds times minutes. I might change this actually, because that's still I don't know. You know what? It's fine. Modulo current hour since epoch. That's fine. That's a fine. So it just runs this quick little algorithm. If there's like a more efficient way of doing random in computers, please let me know. I'm doing this channel to learn as well. So we're going to go ahead and seed it off of these factors, which will always be different based on the machine it's even being run on. And then it sets its own instance to this that existed. So, and then when it's finished, it just like, yep, let's if occupied clean, and clean is like kind of, I did free. I called free. Yeah. Because if I don't call free, I'm basically looping through this. This is delete, and that is C++'s version of free. And you get what I'm saying is like this gets called within here normally anyways, but I have to do it in a way where I'm instructing the object to clean its own pointer. The pointer won't clean itself. That's it. This will get called when the object leaves scope, and then the pointer, this pointer will stay here, and as long as it's occupied, it's gonna clean it. If it's null pointer, you know what? Should I even bother with this? Let's see. I don't think it really matters if I literally just run this free and then occupied false. Oh, you know why I think I did that? Yeah, so I want to keep the clean function in case I need to do that a couple times, in case I need to run clean and then get instance on something right away. Yo, Anubis, good to see you. So that's why I encapsulated those two factors, which will set the flag to false. Whoops. Didn't do that. All right, fine. Let's figure this out. Get instance F10. And then it's going to leave scope after return here. We have, once again, this is just something because I am revisiting contests. We have a number of contests too. There are 2 contests, the PC giveaway as well as the next pool of Elden Ring giveaway. And then our entries, first node. And this is our structure of the list. Left node is null, right node. We're going to carry on through left node. It refers back to the first node, right node carries on to the node after it. And yeah, that's how that works. And just so that we're once again certain on that, all these 14 entries, I believe, 15 entries. No, yeah, I put in like extra entries for testing. Good to see you, Anubis. Hey man, I'm hoping to see your name in the PC draw. I'm hoping to see it getting drawn soon. We got whoa, did contestant 2 find their way in the PC draw? That's, how did that even happen? What is, let's take a look at that text file. Contest. How did that even happen? What? Oh, okay, no, I'm being dumb. This is a pointer. Okay. That's because of the little avenue that we, okay. Those are the winners. Okay. This is the first winner. All right, and it points to the second winner. That's just how I structured how the winners are selected through, and then all the other pointers are null. We're gonna go ahead and leave scope now, and we see that here. You know, I have to expand this one now because the seed is right here. We see that the seeds are being organized from least to greatest, and that randomizes our options here. And we're gonna go ahead and continue that. And oh yeah. So I can't free the instance more than once. I have to keep tabs on it. If occupied, clean. Fair enough. Either way, we know that this leaves. Well, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do, actually. If it's created, then it's gotta be true, because even if it's null pointer, you get instant. Oh, no, that's right. Equals. Okay, so basically, like, what I'm worried about is because You know what? I'm gonna make this look complicated because I don't want to do that kind of instance equals instance not equal instance equals instance not equal to null pointer question mark. So if instance is not equal to null pointer, instance equals instance, otherwise new RNGENER8. Otherwise new generator. Just to ensure that we know that occupied is true, we're gonna go ahead and create it true. Make it true, set it true. And then see if it works. Okay, that worked. So my fear is okay, I can't check to see if it's been deleted, but what I can do is set it a null pointer. And if it equals anything but null pointer. Because null pointer is a special kind of point. So that occupies space. Okay, I think this is everything that has to work, because this will assign the instance to instance if it doesn't equal null pointer, and then send it back. Takes just as much compilation time as it would to run an if statement. And this just ensures that the occupied flag is true, because this will straight up set it to false. So yeah, no, I can't really remove that if occupied clean, because once this sets it to false, then I know there's no memory in instance. So I was trying to get rid of that. It wasn't happening. So we're gonna go ahead and assume that that's perfect. Like I've been saying for the last week. The heart of the random list creation revolves around it. So I did want to keep revisiting it. Our list structure, our doubly linked list structure. We're gonna actually expand on this in a bit, and actually have it so that it's more or less an abstract class of list. And when it's getting inherited from, actually, I wonder. Okay, it doesn't quite work like that. C plus. Essentially, what I want to do is make it so objects inherit from a structure that the list uses. So instead of having to fill the node with the data itself becomes the node. But that's after we do our output object. So to understand how our output actually works, we're just going to go back to the main. Say this is all great up until this point over here. Yeah, we're back to those arrowroot cookies. Why don't I do this? So winter is an entry. So if we go into entry, don't these all have 2 string? We're gonna go ahead and check that out. Main. So objects don't inherit automatically. So. Okay. So I would have to. Okay, so our output manager isn't going to be as universal. What if I just do winner? And I override that. So that when it. Okay, I go. And now it's going to tell me. Yes. See the smile on my face? It's a good thing. I don't think I can. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it. So, wait. You know what? We'll see. We'll see. We'll play with it. What does it return? Is it a void function? Void. Here, you know what? Let's quickly look that up. Override operator. Operator override. C++. Well, thank you, Microsoft, for your standard documentation and remembering that my viewers can't read that small writing. Okay. Oh, okay, so it returns an OStream reference. IOStream. Okay, good. I can do that. Sorry about that. Okay. So hopefully this will work. Pass it by reference. Oh. Yeah, I need to have the C out. Back including iOS stream. Look at this override again. Oh, stream reference. Okay, can I not have this in the header then? Is that like a thing? I have to write explicit. I have to. Oh, you know why? It's probably because it's an inline. Okay, that's why. So O stream reference. I don't even need that operator. Reference OS entry reference entry return then how are they actually overriding it? I think they actually, I'm not sure if they create one. No, oh my word. I swear I'm the slowest person when it comes to naming these namespaces. What? Oh, okay, well, whatever. And I just want to make sure I have the overload. I might grab a snack. Like a real snack, not just cookies. Like an apple or something. That's a little bit more real snack, right? That's a little bit. We're gonna go ahead OS. Okay, so this is actually relatively easy. Return OS. Name. What the H? Oh. Is that actually gonna be an issue? Okay. Yeah, I think that's the problem I was having beforehand. That's why I didn't bother with that shortening. That's right. That's right, because it's private, so don't return. Entry get name. What? Non-static list. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, of course. Sorry, that was my bad. And just for right now, is seed public? I think seed's private. That's protected. So the entry pool can get it. But I have get seed. Okay, good. So each time we ask for an entry to do that, We're gonna go into our main. It's gonna give me that instead. I don't have to ask for it explicitly. Oh, that's because, okay, let's try this. I could probably do the same thing with entry pool. I'm not gonna bother using Pragma once. Actually, does that mean I have IO stream? Yep. This might be problematic. I don't know. We'll see. Because it's not really in a namespace, I don't have to do that. That would be cool. So basically, eventually what I want to do with the list object is make it so I can just pass it a list with this operator, and it'll just zip right through it. Just be able to go right through everything and output whatever, hey, how's it going? Yeah, no, sorry. Yeah, that's not new. It just actually said new for Anubis. Anubis, your message isn't new. But got me excited anyways. I do appreciate you here, Lurkin. Thank you so much. We're gonna go return. This is within the entry pool, so we can actually call for like the contest name. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go OS, feed that into contest name. Oh no, because yeah. That's fine. Okay, so now we go into the main CPP. I hate when they correct me with that space. All right, so you see, basically I overrode those so I don't have to like explicitly say get the name, get this, get that, get seed, get. It just gets whatever objects I would want for it out. Look at the output. Winner 4, winner 4. PC1 with that seed and test 2 with that seed. Let's continue again. We're gonna forget about that breakpoint. Always as a habit, close out the console window. I keep forgetting to do that. There we go. 3, contestant 1. Totally different seeds. Good to see that. Good to see that. Shut up. Okay. No leaks. All right, as you can see in the output window here. Totally different seeds. Well, I guess not totally different, but admittedly not totally different. But that's random. That's the art of random. It's not supposed to be predictable. It's not supposed to be like predictably different either. If that makes sense. See? Like no freaking method to that. So yeah, our RNG machine's working. And we can override those functions later. Once again, is a form of further encapsulation. This should have been okay. So the program didn't end. I had to close out the console. Yeah, I closed the contest list here, so that's protected. Now we can work on the GUI. I actually thought we were gonna have an issue with that, but I guess by removing Pragma once, we don't really have that issue anymore. I'm not even sure if we ever would. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I don't want to test it. You know what? I'm not sure if we're even... Huh. You're gonna have an issue if I put Pragma once across the board. I don't understand how this... I have a hard time with understanding linker issues. Let's just try it. Okay.
Are you referring to alchemy?
Nothing really declared. I got Pragma once on all my headers, and I haven't come across any issues. Except for that one. Huh. Still no linker issues. Okay, well, let's see what we can remove then, PoolBoy. PoolBoy header. PoolBoy header has entry pool f-stream and generator. RN generator has standard library chrono. I'm not removing. Entry pool header has entry and list age. List age has nothing. Entry has stream. No, everything is good to pragma once off of there. It's just what I don't understand is how come my GUI... Oh, 'cause I didn't create a GUI header. And I'm not going to create a GUI header. I'm literally going to keep all this in a CPP file. Because it's static. If I don't define it in the header. And not only that, I think it'll screw up the compilation because if I put these includes in the header, Spring and IO stream's already been compiled. I don't see I've always had issues with linker errors. So I'm always happy to get them resolved. But we're just gonna carry on. I don't think I can type. Type name. Template. Not a T again. Whatever. Oh no, you know what? I did this backwards. X V X V. Need that. Let's see if that works. I just want to see how universal I can make this. Let's see what happens. Holy crap, it worked? Yeah, it did. Okay. That's awesome. Alright, cool. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I got an idea, though. Actually, I do need to go to the bathroom, but I'm gonna grab some food, too. So, I'll be right back. Listen to the tunes, and... yeah, man. We just explored something I didn't think was possible, so I'm excited. I'll talk to you soon.
Are you referring to alchemy? Bitch.
Alright, I'm back.
Are you referring to alchemy?
So what I was so excited about here. This might actually kill. Yeah, I can't even hear. That sucks. It doesn't work the same way. Sorry, what I'm trying to do is basically have it so I can pass whatever data I want to it, and this will know the amount of characters that's in the register. We'll be able to format a nice header for that. And then exit scope. It's just, this is the action based class. This is what's going to present everything that the structure's been maintaining. My last class, it's just like last class I did something like this with was like, it's just a lot of for each loops, and it was kind of obnoxious looking. I wanted this one to be nicer. So here's what I'm thinking. This itself is a function. This is an operator. And this is actually returning a stream output. The OStream output object, that's how it reacts with the compiler. That's how it, that's what its job is on the compiler. So when we return that object by reference, when it leaves scope, it's already left the information on. It's the information's already been printed out on the application. It leaves scope, it's done. I guess the console output. Just the console. Keep in mind, this is just like a console command prompt app. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it that easily. That'd be cool though. Because I can't really measure a stream output object. I don't think I can. What if I go... Tell P, tell position. Nah. What I'm thinking is I can create no stream object. Okay. Count the amount of characters that are in it. Okay, so feed that into there. While start good bit. This will give me 100 characters in between two borders with one character to make a border on each side. Okay, let's see what happens. I don't want to do that here. I'll do that with. What did I want to do that with? Oh, you know what? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just doing this little reference so that way it's still in. I can just use it. Let's see what happens here. What? Oh, okay. Oh. It just doesn't like the constructor as far as I'm concerned.
Are you referring to alchemy?
CPP reference. O3. Okay, so it's basic type constructor. We'll be looking at another O-stream reference. Or a stream buffer. Here, you know what? Go to, let's go back to the code here. I don't think it's gonna work. Doesn't even know what the hell I'm trying to, yeah. How do I create no stream object? Go back to that page showing the constructors. Oh, forgot. This is annoying. It's very confusing right now. Happy Friday. Yeah, Friday, Fortnite Friday tonight, by the way. But after that, I'm actually going to be flipping over to like a single player schedule. And then I'll be doing like supporter Saturdays. So I'll be playing with viewers then. Doing like, yeah, I got actually, if you join my Discord, that's where I have the vote for the weekly games for sure. Doing supporter Saturdays every Saturday. Is Duncan playing Fortnite tonight? I'll play with Duncan tonight. Duncan probably knows Fortnite just as well as I do. We're not playing no build, are we? We're playing build because I'm terrible at it. I'm absolutely trash, but I have better aim than those people in build, and they have better reactions. Okay. All right. Cool beans. Cool beans. We'll be here. We'll be here. Wait for community mode. What is community mode? Yeah, I'll be here at I'll be here for 8. Oh, like the oh, what's it called? Like Fortnite game lobby? Because I upload, oh, this is actually being displayed. Because I upload lots of valuable code. I'm a creator, I'm a developer. This app will be when actually I export it, it'll be a console app that you could just type in the file name afterwards and it'll give you a name after. So that's basically like Patreon supporters have access to all these apps. Yep. No, I get it. I get it. Yeah, so support my Patreon if you wanted to have access to my code, all my coding libraries. I still have my Patreon link for free demos and stuff like that. So if you did want to get into C#, go to Patreon, download the project there, download Visual Studio Code, and I'll tell you what packages to download from the installer. It's actually not as intimidating as it will be on mine. If I go to modify, basically you'd have to go and install, but I modify. This looks intimidating, but realistically, I think all you need: Universal Windows Platform Development with C#. That's all you need. I'm using C++, so I've got all these extra libraries. I want to get into Python. I use JavaScript occasionally, so I have no Node.js development. There's like a bunch of stuff like this I would probably put in, so I'd have DirectX libraries. But this is later. This is later. And like game development C++. Oh, ooh. I'd much rather start in Unity. What? I got all these libraries. If you wanted to get started, you just need this one. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. What's this one say? It's not even anything like you IntelliCode, IntelliTrace. Yeah, you don't even really need it to start writing code. It just helps. Blend for Visual Studio, get new package manager. Oh yeah, get new package manager. That I use that a lot. Windows platform tools. That's probably, yeah. Okay, you do need it. I lied. You absolutely do need it. But back over to C++. This is the hard stuff. The C#, you don't have to worry about these references, data locations, etc., etc. This is just the technical stuff that I kind of showcase on this time, so that way people are like, hey man, I want to book this tutor. Let's see him at his worst, at the hardest crap he's working with. And I think I'm gonna have to change this up because, like, although all the extra work I put in to have that operator override and send a very specific O stream. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. But yeah, this is uh the free stuff I offer is like basically you help me help you help me kind of thing. It's like more of a community learning. But I definitely can tutor object oriented in higher level language. And I'll probably learn quite a bit tutoring other people as well because I'll have to research the lessons and whatnot. Yeah, well, yeah, the code, yeah, that's, I do have time slots available on Facebook, so !FB coding for that time booking. But we're gonna keep going with this. So this, I wanted to try this out because I wanted to play with the O-Stream class a little more. I don't play with it very much. Oh, I'm not gonna be on with this. I'm gonna be on with you have no socials? What? Oh man. That's unfortunate. Not even, well, you have a Discord. No, you have a Discord. That's a social. I think what I'm gonna do is basically, one of the reasons why I wanted to cancel my Prime is because, like, it seems like it's a waste of money. I'm literally streaming to 3 platforms. I'm getting most of my attention off of one of it. And realistically, that money that I'm spending towards that could go towards Discord Nitro and support a community that application that I use regularly. It'll increase the integrations that I can import into it, and it'll open up the community section a lot more. So I think that's just a better use. Discord is bone dry too. What do you mean? Wait, hold on. Ha ha ha. We have us when you start. Discord is what's in there now. Whatever is whatever. Yeah, okay, sorry. Haha, whatever I have us. You started Discord. No kidding. Okay, it's okay. Well, whatever. My Discord link, it's !Discord. Jump on my Discord. I put coding resources. I put gaming highlights. I'm going to be subscribing to a couple of channels, particularly to get game updates from them. I am, because I'm doing like the single player kind of thing. Oh yeah, food porn. I love cooking. I love cooking. Show me up, or just show me something new. Because in all honesty, like that's the prime, the the rib steak roast I cooked tasted amazing. But the garlic dip I made for the pork roast last time was so great. It was so great. So yeah, definitely come check us out on Discord. I'm so thrilled that this is here. You make a slammin' filet mignon. You gotta show me. You gotta just come on to my Discord. All right, upload it to my upload it to the food porn. All right, make me drool. That's the objective there. You don't. It doesn't always have to be like a gourmet. Cause like, I'll be honest, the first 2 things I put up there were these long cooked smoke roast kind of things. It's okay. Hey, come to the Discord. You'll see the kind of stuff I post there. I want you to make me jealous. I love food. I want to just travel the country and try different foods from different places. That Canada was inspired by, like, the Irish culture in one section, and the more oh geez, what would BC even be? They're a multicultural area too. Oh, I'm doing fantastic, Carlo. It's good to see you again. You're here often. I appreciate that, man. Regen recognized. Regen recognized. And it's Sock. You haven't met her yet. Check her out. Hey, whoa. Actually, you know what? I played with things. I played with things a little bit today. Check this out. What? She said what too. Great. Right here. Dope. Got to see enough. That was a clip of you sucking? Okay, because I thought you actually took them out. I actually went through and deleted my clips while I was testing that because I kept getting ones I hated. I should have good ones now. Yeah, okay. Usually whenever I get clips, it's some clip of like someone who I beat on here who's pissed, who's like tried to come in and be like, good game. Like, it was a good game, but like it could have been better if they just like, they're sour, so they take a clip of me saying like, they just come in to be like, hey, good game. And I'm like, yeah, I mean, it could have been better if I had a better partner. And then they just like take a clip of that. So I had to go through and delete a lot of those. Yeah. I don't like to oversalt my roast, and I don't like to oversalt my gameplay. I got salty though, to be honest, so that's me being salty, and then they got salty about me being salty. It's like salt perpetuates salt. All right, yeah, no, I don't even know where I'm going with this right now. I need to reevaluate how I'm coming across this, because I can't pass that object through. Not directly, and depend on the O stream to tell me everything. No, yeah, it's not that, the concentration, it's the object formation. I'm having a hard time, first of all, constructing a random O stream to be able to count all the digits to be able to go through. And like this, realistically, this is a time-consuming process. Why wouldn't I just pass through the string value that's creating? I feel like that's better. Hey, yeah. Oh, I know. Hey, I know. I got a relaxing Sunday. No, I don't. I don't have a relaxing weekend coming up. It's daddy daycare all weekend because, excuse me, mommy's got to work. No, that was supposed. It's okay. You know, I love spending time with my daughter, so a clap is worth it. It was supposed to be a wah wah wah, but either way, you know, it's a win-win. Either button I hit. So yeah, looking forward to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and kibosh this. This is stupid. I could create my own OStream object that inherits from the OStream class. What if my GUI inherited from the OStream class? Then what? Holy crap. I want to try it. What? Because I know okay. When you're doing these functions, when you're running this kind of stuff in higher level code, the idea of a function call is a lot more apparent. You got to keep in mind, this is a function. This is a function. It doesn't look like it, but it's a binary function. This is an OStream object, and this is an object. All right, this object's been overridden for that operation. Right here. All right, so the OStream operator, it's an OStream on the left side of the operator, and it's an entry object on the right side of the operator. And it's defined here where it gets the name and gets the seed. This is just me testing still. But if I look at how this function is called, well then how am I gonna get a constructor for it? Because I can't really instantiate an OStream object, but somehow these guys are doing it. This is C++, right? iStream programming, yeah. So include IOStream. Okay, well, what about my IOStream? Okay, so this is an OStream object, an actual OStream object, and this is this basic OStream. These are the constructors that I clicked on that take me here. Any big plans for the weekend? None that I can think of. Literally just, actually, it'd be this on Saturday. Today, yeah. It'd be this on Saturday or creating a list in the day, but then at night, yeah, we'll come back for, at night, Cuphead all night. Just kidding. Well, actually, not just kidding, but yeah, we are doing Cuphead. Next week though, we're doing supporter Saturdays, and that's when I'm going to be playing with amazing viewers like yourself. If you're interested in playing some Fortnite, some Dead by Daylight, either way, like if you come to our Discord, check out that supporter channel. Sorry, check out the, what is it? Yeah, supporter Saturday in the information tab. There's a vote going on, so that's how that works. But next Saturday, I got really big plans. We're starting up with supporter Saturday. This weekend, not so much. Just daddy daycare. What is that? Hold on. RD buffer. Is that the current registry buffer? Is that why I'm having an issue with this? On. Okay, hold on. Let's just take a look at what that's supposed to return. RD buff. RD buff. Manage associated stream buffer? What do you mean? Returns the associated stream buffer. If there is no associated stream buffer, returns a null pointer. That's the associated stream buffer to SG. Well, then how do I create a new one? Because this is instantiating one with the console. I don't want the console output to be my OStream object. If I wanted the console output to be my OStream object, I would just run this straight up into, yeah, this is my out. What? Yeah, this stuff is bothering me. It just doesn't make any sense to me. And this is C notes above, but I don't. Oh no. That's Could I do it with string streams? Do you think that's actually what I wanted, was string streams? Well, no, because the string stream is an O-stream object, so this will still work really well if I can use a string. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. I want to do it the fast way. I can't. I'm not gonna do it the fast way. I'll see what they have here. Width. This is a big example. But yeah, that's essentially what I'd like to do with this class. Is basically wherever I bring it, it's going to be able to export it correctly. I'm just supposed to be finding width here, like. Oh, that sets the width. Well, I mean, we can try it on our operation here. We can go ahead and remove this though for now. What? Okay.
Are you referring to alchemy? Are you referring to alchemy?
Really? Okay, then I'm not gonna bother overloading that. Save it. Save. Oh, this is irritating. So, like, I can't even use this. This is just for testing purposes. You know what? That's fine. Actually, we'll end up using this later when we're going through and finalizing our looping functions through our list. Because I do want to make it so that we can run a for each on it. That's not off my list. Just gonna put that here. Star. Run. For each. Loopable. Yeah. Run for each loopable. I'm probably gonna end up ending the stream a little bit earlier, and that's just because we run roadblock after roadblock after roadblock. To be completely honest, I'll have all this stuff done a little bit later today. I do gotta start getting ready for another obligation soon. Like that obligation, I'm not lying about like that obligation ain't for a few hours, but I could use time to get ready. Takes a little bit to make this pretty, you know. Okay. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make this. I want to be able to make this universal though. Like where an object doesn't have to inherit from anything. The list thing I want to do that through inheritance. I think that would be fun. But the this shouldn't have to inherit from anything. It should just be an output console, which can take the output stream that can be overridden towards from any object. And then I can assume that data T is gonna have that. So the objective of this program is to make universal output. I'm just making my notes as I go along for the changes in the direction of this program. I'll probably be hopping off before, what time is it? I'm gonna say before 2:30 because I tend to banter for a little bit. But 1:55 on my clock. I'm covering it. I'm sorry. So this O string stream that we're essentially going to be building the data. I want to be able to take its O stream though. I want to be able to take the object's O stream and Stack Overflow, converting O stream into a standard string. Question on O stream, not O string stream. Okay. Well, no, this won't work still. But I can appreciate it. I can't create a new O stream. O streams are static objects. Yeah, why did this guy get a question check mark? He didn't even answer the question. Just so you guys can see. Yeah, I'm not gonna expose him because I'm realizing that's probably pretty hard to see on your end. Basically, yeah, one person's like, yeah, like the question was on O stream, not O string stream, because the guy that got the check mark commented on O stream, not O string streams. I'm still having a hard time with this though, because I don't know how to return an O stream object without having it project to the screen. As a pointer? I got a couple things up here I need to check out, it looks like. I've got no problem with this function, with this explanation. The only object is how I create. So yeah, I think maybe I can try that. We're gonna go. He chose POUT for pointer out. I don't think it's gonna work. I don't even know what I'm calling for here. Yep. So still has no idea what the heck this is. I don't think this is even a thing. Because it's a static object, you won't be able to create a new one. Yep. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and abandon this mission. I'll create what I'll do, yeah, starting tomorrow it'll be the GUI object. It'll be the GUI object, it'll be the forefront of that. I'm not going to go through explaining how the program works again, because I'm going to have to pass it the string values I wanted to output anyways. So that'll have to be done with, I think, yeah, we'll do that in the main. This program's so close to being finished. I just want the GUI be formatted and then put everything together in the main and show you guys true object-oriented code. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate everyone being here, and until next time, we are going to raid out. We always raid out. So let me actually find out who we're raiding out to first. Shoot, where did that webpage go? I had everything up. Yes, I still have everything up because I am a prepared guy. Just kidding. We're gonna raid out to R3 Gaming. Is this all who's on? Actually, no. There's got to be more people on. I swear I've seen more people I was following on earlier. Let me just double check this, okay? Because we are gonna raid out to them. They're great. They're a great streamer. In my opinion, I just raided out to them like earlier, like relatively soon. So I don't want to do it again. No offense. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay. N13 Gaming. Prepare for a raid. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate everyone that could be here today. And if you couldn't, that's no problem. We're recorded on YouTube. So thank you so much for joining us. And hopefully I'll see you next time. And until next time, stay regenerated. Yeah, please, if you want to hang out for the raid, I know N13 Gaming would appreciate it. And you know what? Appreciation kind of comes all the way around. So, yeah, stay for the raid. And thank you so much for joining us tonight.